Okay, I wanted to do a quick updated video because this property's been on the market for a couple months now, and it's going under auction.com, another auction for the third time here in the next 2 days. And a lot of people ask me, you know, does it look the same as it did in the original pictures and all that kind of good stuff? Well, no, it doesn't. It's got some new recent damage from all of this rain and thunderstorms we've had here in the area. I mean, you can see those clouds right now. It's about to rain again. It rains every day, it seems, and lately it's rained a lot. And we've got a couple missing shingles on part of the roof that has leaked down in one of the bedrooms. And of course, you can't see it from this angle, but I'll put up a picture. It's not a big area, but it's enough that's caused some water damage, like I said, in one of the bedrooms. But there's the HVAC system. I mean, this is a really nice subdivision. There is an HOA, but the HOA dues are only $111 per year. Of course, there's no amenities, but that keeps the neighborhood nice. I mean, all nice homes. You can see all, mostly all brick homes, architectural shingle roofs. That's one thing about this house. It's gonna need a new roof. This house is 18 years old. It's never been replaced. And if a buyer can squeeze by right now getting insurance, it's not gonna be but a year or two where more than likely the insurance company's gonna require it to be replaced. But you know, everybody tells me the roof's got to be replaced, so might want to budget that, of course. But this is a big house. It's under 2,500 square feet. It's a 4-bedroom, it's 3 bath. This is a big military subdivision too. I noticed like all the recent sales in here have all been with VA loans, which is common. This is west side of Pensacola. We're only a couple miles from the Pensacola Naval Base, home of the Blue Angels. So convenient location, nice subdivision. The power is on, but I didn't turn it off. I would turn it on outside. Here's the living room. Of course, the previous occupants left their signature on the walls. So of course this house is gonna need all new flooring, all new paint. It's gonna need updated kitchen. I mean, this is all original. Like I said, this house was built in 2006, I believe. So, I mean, of course it's gonna need, I mean, the cabinets are nice and good shape. The countertops are builder grade, cheap stuff. I mean, everything in here is builder grade stuff. Gonna need new appliances. Like I said, you got linoleum flooring here in the kitchen and the entranceway. So you've got a formal dining room. You've got this bonus room that could be used for another den, office. I mean, it could be framed in, you know, add a closet and have another bedroom. This is bedroom number 1. Not a lot to do in here except flooring and paint. This is the master bedroom. And you have 2 bathrooms in here, and they're split like a his and hers. This one over here has a garden tub. There's your toilet. It's got a walk-in closet and a single vanity. Then you have another bathroom here, but this one has a stand-up shower. Another walk-in closet. This thing is disgusting. Another single vanity and another, there's a toilet. You'll notice too, almost every doorknob in this place has been removed. I don't know why they would do that, but I mean, it happens. Here's your HVAC system. So this is the bedroom that has the issue right here. You can see the damage right there in the ceiling from that roof leak. It's this area right here. I've climbed up in the attic and looked at it, and you'll see the shingles that are missing, and it's that one spot. And like I said, this just happened recently. I mean, like in the last couple of days. Last week. But they are getting bids right now. They're not gonna like redo it, repair it. They are gonna cut the sheetrock out. Hopefully get rid of this carpet. It's gotta go. And probably cut the sheetrock out in this wall right here. So we got some mold forming from the moisture and stuff. So it's just a lot easier just to go ahead and cut it out. It's gonna have to be done anyway. But they're getting bids on that, so that will probably be done. It's not going to be done in time before the auction's completed, but they are getting bids right now to have that fixed. And the roof should be fixed really soon, if not today, tomorrow. They're not going to tarp it. They're actually just going to replace the shingles and stop the leak. If they put a tarp on it, then the roof is definitely ruined, and we don't want to do that because, you might get another year or two out of it, maybe. Inside the laundry room, and you got a big 2-car garage. I don't know why they didn't remove this carpet when they did the trash out, but they didn't. Here's your hot water tank. Now, the hot water tank is original. So it's 18 years old. Insurance wants it less than 15, so that's gonna have to be replaced. So it's a pretty costly rehab job just due to the size of the house. Like I said, this is a big house. And the flooring and paint alone, flooring, paint, roof, sheetrock repairs got to be made. Unfortunately, this is all popcorn ceilings. Actually, yeah, it is. But that's the way it looks right now as of the end of July, beginning of August. Like I said, the only thing that's going to be done is just taking care of cutting out that sheetrock where the water damage and replacing the missing shingles on the roof to make sure it doesn't leak anymore. I haven't seen any other roof leaks, at all. So I think that is definitely the only spot that's an issue. It does have a gas fireplace, forgot to mention. It looks like it's never been used. But built in 2006, everything's original, builder grade stuff. So besides that, roof issue and this everything else you can see in the video, paint, flooring, and updates. So if you have any questions about it, about the auction, whatever, it's going through auction through the 28th through the 30th of July. And if it doesn't sell, then it'll be back on the market. Now the house right now is currently listed for $281. But to even put an offer in on it, you've got to go to the auction right now. And the biggest negative about the auction is, for this one, the buyer has to pay a 5% buyer premium fee. So whatever you bid, the buyer's got to pay an additional 5%. Now there's really no closing cost if you use the seller's title company. They'll pay the title insurance, but you got that 5% fee. So I know a lot of people don't realize that when they think about putting an offer or bidding on it, but you just got to put that into your calculation. But if it doesn't sell this time, it will be back on the market, and I'm sure they'll do a price reduction. They have to. There's no way this house is worth anywhere near $281 in its as-is condition. Okay, that's it. Appreciate it. Thanks.